all, welcome to the 7th episode of Kamaltechvlog. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to convert any speaker or music system, any old speaker or music system into a Bluetooth speaker. So let's start. Channel, please like and subscribe for future notifications. And for today's tutorial, I'm going to use eyeball speaker. You can go ahead and use any amplifier or speaker which you have, let it be old or new. It should have only a USB spot over here, a port over here, or you can have a 3.5mm jack also. And this is the simplest way you can convert any speaker or music system to a Bluetooth speaker. So what we are going to use for this is, I'm going to go ahead and use this dongle. This comes with the USB port, and you can also, because I have a USB port over here, so I'll be using this. If you have a 3.5mm jack port, you do get a dongle with 3.5mm jack also. It's a Bluetooth dongle. You can go ahead and use that also. So this is the most simplest way you can convert any old music system or even a amplifier which you have. But there is a disclaimer: do not go ahead and try to convert a wired amplifier where you have to put two different speakers and connect it via wire, because that is old school. That won't work with this, because even that doesn't have even a radio. So that is just an amplifier. But apart from that, anything which has a 3.5mm jack or a USB port, you can use that. And you'll be getting this dongle or the 3.5mm jack dongle, which is 3.5mm jack is nothing but the thing which goes in your phones, the earphone one part. That dongle you'll be able to get in Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, or any normal computer peripheral shop also. You'll be getting it within 100 to 500. There are various ranges for it with different companies. Well, I got this from Amazon for about 200 odd. That's it, 230 something, and I've had it for about 2-3 years. So might be it would have gone up by 10 or 20 bucks. That's the max. So what we are going to do over here is, first, this is powered on now. I'm just going to go ahead and connect this to the USB port over here. So it will start blinking. You can see that. And I'm using a smartphone. So we are just going ahead and using the smartphone over here to connect it. Just give me a minute. The Bluetooth is on in this at the moment. So click on pair a new device and wait for it to search. So it has completed a search and my device name is BT Music. So I've got the option over there of connecting to it, and it has connected clearly. Allow access, pair. It has connected to that. So you got the notification also in the speaker or anything, like your device is being connected. Now go to any of your music. Like example, I'll be taking an NCS track, and I'll be showing you how it will play on the Bluetooth speaker. YouTube
True connection changes you.
So I'm controlling the whole song from my phone. This can even work with a normal phone which has a normal internet access of phone music also. So let me just pause this. Okay, it can work with any of the normal phones also. Like you have any basic phone which is not a smartphone, which is an old phone lying in the home, and you want a music system like morning workout time or anything like that, but you want it to be hands-free, you can go ahead and use this. You don't have to buy a separate Bluetooth speaker for that. You can use just this normal amplifier or speaker and connect it via that. And if you have any preloaded songs in your memory card, you can play through it and you can listen to the song. This is the most affordable and cheapest way. You can use it in any music system, any amplifier which you have, which has a 3.5mm jack, or if you have a USB jack on that, you can go ahead and do it without any worries. And in case you have an input system of any of your music system, in this, like I have an input system of we can shift to radio, we can shift to aux, and you can shift to Bluetooth, like a USB, and it has a memory card also. So you can change your input system to your music stereos compatibility, and then you can listen to the songs. So and this is very much advantageous for the people who have these old cars also, where they have the old stereo systems in it. They can connect this type of jack to that. Instead of using an aux cable every time they drive, they can use this type of a jack with a 3.5mm jack, where you can convert the whole stereo system into a Bluetooth system, where anyone who's driving with you or who's traveling with you in the car, they can go ahead and play from their playlist on their mobile without any problem. And this is the cheapest, most affordable and the easiest way to convert any of the devices, like any stereo or music system, into a Bluetooth speaker at home. You don't have to go ahead and buy anything else from outside apart from this jack, and you can go ahead and do that. And if you do have any questions regarding this, please comment down. I would be very happy to answer all your comments. Even where I bought the product, I'll be able to share that to you if you go ahead and comment on this. And in case you're new to the channel, please go ahead and like and subscribe the video if you do like the video. And see you till next time.